Most people want financial success. They want more money, more freedom, less stress, the ability to live life on their own terms. But here's the problem. Most people never build a real financial plan. They hope things improve. They work hard, but they never create a clear system. And without a system, progress becomes random. That's why in this video, I'm going to break down the financial path to success step by step. A complete blueprint, simple principles, simple actions, and a system that actually works if you stay consistent. Quick note, if you want my exact stock picks, I give away 3 high-quality picks every month for free. Link in the description. Let's get into it. Step 1. Change your mindset about money. This is where everything begins. Because your financial life usually reflects the way you think about money. Most people grow up with limiting beliefs. They believe money is scarce. They believe wealth is only for other people. Or they believe financial success is mostly luck. But successful people think differently. They see money as a tool, a resource, something that can be built over time. This mindset changes your decisions, and your decisions shape your future. If you believe success is impossible, you stop trying. If you believe success is possible, you start looking for opportunities. That's why mindset matters so much. Step 2. Take control of your income. Income is the engine of your financial life. Without income, nothing moves. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make early on. They focus only on saving small amounts without increasing income. But there's a limit to how much you can cut. There's no limit to how much you can earn. So focus on growing your income. Learn valuable skills. Look for better opportunities. Start side income streams. Because higher income creates more flexibility and more opportunity. Step 3. Create a financial gap. This is one of the most important concepts in personal finance. You need a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap becomes your future, your investment capital, your freedom fund. Most people increase income and increase spending at the same time, so they stay stuck. Financial success requires intentional spending, not extreme sacrifice, but discipline. Every dollar you keep can eventually become an asset. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. This creates stability. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses happen. And without a safety net, those expenses become financial setbacks. An emergency fund protects you. It gives you breathing room and prevents panic decisions. This is one of the foundations of financial success. Step 5. Avoid bad debt. Debt can either help you or trap you. High-interest consumer debt destroys progress because it works against you financially. Instead of your money growing, your debt grows. Successful people avoid unnecessary debt whenever possible. And when they do use debt, it's usually tied to assets or opportunities that can grow. Step 6. Start investing early. This is where wealth begins to compound. Most people wait too long to start investing. They think they need more money or more knowledge. But time matters more than amount. Because of compounding, your money grows. Then those gains start growing too. And over long periods of time, the effect becomes massive. Even small investments matter. What matters most is consistency. Step 7. Focus on assets. Assets make you money. Liabilities cost you money. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts successful people make. They focus on acquiring assets, stocks, businesses, real estate, digital products, anything that produces income or increases in value over time. The more assets you own, the closer you move toward financial freedom. Step 8. Build multiple income streams. This is extremely important today. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Multiple income streams create stability and opportunity. This could include investments, side businesses, affiliate income, digital products, content creation, rental income. The goal is not to build everything at once. The goal is to build one stream, then stack another, and another. Over time, those streams create financial strength. Step 9. Learn continuously. Financial success requires learning, because money rewards value. The more you understand business, investing, and financial systems, the better your decisions become. Successful people never stop learning. They read, study, improve, and over time, that knowledge compounds. Step 10. Think long-term. This is one of the most important habits of financially successful people. Most people think short-term. Quick wins, fast money, immediate results. But wealth is usually built slowly, over the years, sometimes decades. Long-term thinking creates patience, and patience is one of the most valuable financial skills you can develop. Step 11. Control your emotions. This matters more than most people realize. People make emotional decisions with money constantly. They panic during downturns, overspend emotionally, or chase hype. Successful people stay calm. They think logically, because emotional decisions are usually expensive. Discipline beats emotion over time. Step 12. Build systems. Financial success becomes easier when systems are in place. Automatic investing, automatic saving, content systems, business systems. The goal is to reduce reliance on motivation, because systems create consistency, and consistency creates results. Step 13. Reinvest your profits. This is where growth accelerates. Most people make extra money, then spend it immediately. Successful people reinvest. Back into assets, back into growth, back into systems. This creates momentum, and momentum compounds. Step 14. Protect your progress. As your finances improve, protection becomes important. This includes emergency savings, diversification, risk management, and avoiding unnecessary financial mistakes. Building wealth matters, but keeping wealth matters too. Step 15. Stay consistent. This is the habit that ties everything together. Most people quit too early. They expect instant results. But financial success compounds slowly at first, then faster over time. The people who usually succeed are not always the smartest. They're the people who stay consistent the longest. Now let's simplify everything. If I had to build financial success from scratch, this is exactly what I would focus on. Change your mindset. Increase your income. Create a gap. Build emergency savings. Avoid bad debt. Invest consistently. Focus on assets. Build multiple income streams. Learn continuously. Think long-term. Control emotions. Build systems. Reinvest profits. Protect progress. And stay consistent. That's the blueprint. Simple, but powerful. Financial success is not built through luck. It's built through habits, systems, and consistency over time. And if you follow this blueprint long enough, your entire financial life can change. And if you want a simple starting point for investing, I'm giving away my 3 free stock picks. 1 overall stock, 1 value stock, and 1 high upside stock. They're selected through a rigorous process and designed to help beginners learn to evaluate investments. You can grab them through the link below. Thank you for watching. If you want simple financial strategies and investing content that actually makes sense, subscribe to the channel. I'll show you, step by step, how to build real wealth and financial freedom over time.